Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. On this Monday, January 17, 2022, we will presenting our project and we are from group of 6. Next is tools analysis implementation of clothing official store. This project will presented by the first is Abdulatif Afifuddin Daulay, the second is Abdurrahman Ikram, the last is Muhammad Revansyah, which is me. Before we continue, first of all, we must to know what the clothing official store is. Clothing store is the right place to get the clothes we ordered. You can find a variety type of clothing such as jacket, hoodie, t-shirt, of jeans. If you want to buy these types of clothes at store that have a variety of clothing product, so you will have a many choice in choosing and buying a various types of clothes, and you will not be wrong in choosing the clothes you want to wear. Clothing store that sell a various types of existing clothes can make you more observant in choosing the existing clothes, can make suit you. This is the tools of analysis implementation or the Excel function we use in our Excel. The first is pivot, and then sum, chart, trend line, spark line, lookup, power pivot, exchanging data, protect data, filter, sort, and the last is slicer. So the first table is the list of items. The list of items, we have the Excel function, which is group. And the group is an Excel tool which group two or more column or rows. With grouping, the user has an option to minimize and maximize the group data. The rows or column or the group collapse on minimizing and expand on maximizing. The group option is available under the outline section of the data tab. The next is detail of product. In this table of detail of product, we have the Excel function, which is filter. What is filter in Excel? The filter in Excel helps display relevant data by eliminating the irrelevant entries temporarily from the view. The data is filtered as per the given criteria. The purpose of the filtering is to focus on the crucial areas of dataset. And then the pivot product. As you can see, this is the pivot product. The pivot product functions to record what type of the sell clothes, what price, what category, what is released when, and what product ID, and use some to register.
Slicers are visual filters. Using a slicer, you can filter your data by clicking on the type of data you want. In this project, we are using a slicer for a purchase table. Okay, next, pivot table. A pivot table is a table of group value that aggregate the individual item of a more extensive table, such as from a database spreadsheet or business intelligence program. Within one or more discrete category, they arrange and rearrange or pivot statistic in order to draw attention to useful information. Okay, pivot chart. A pivot chart is the visual representation of a pivot table in Excel. Pivot charts and pivot table are connected with each other. Okay. In this project, we use pivot chart and pivot table for purchase table and transaction and transaction table. Okay. Next, sum and spark line. Sum. The sum function adds value. You can add individual value, cell reference, or range, or a mix of all three. In this project, we use sum for the transaction table. And in transaction table, we use the sum function to calculate the remaining stock and the total price and the total price along with taxes. Okay, sparkline. A sparkline is a teeny chart in a worksheet cell that provides a visual representation of data. Use sparklines to show trend in a series of values such as seasonal increase or decrease, economic cycle, or to highlight maximum and minimum value. Okay, next. As I said before, we use pivot chart and pivot table in purchase table and transaction table, as you can see now. Okay, next.
Scenario Manager is a data analysis feature that you can use to view the result of outputs of several different inputs, so that it can be help users in seeing their future scenarios more easily. The application of this explanation can be seen in this table. And for the next slide, we can use pivot tables to summarize, analyze, explore, and present summary data. Pivot tables are an interactive way to quickly summarize large amount of data. Pivot tables can be used to analyze numerical data in detail and answer unexpected questions about the data. For Power Pivot is data modeling tool that lets you create data models, define relationship, and create calculation. The application of this explanation can be seen in this table. And for the next slide is define. Define name give a name for a cell or range, name range, making it easier for you to call the values contained in the cell or move from one cell to another cell, location that you have given a range name. The application of this explanation can be seen in this table. And we use protect data to have security in our Excel sheet. Exchanging data itself is changing the file type from Excel to another file type with the aim of facilitating access or security and so on. That's all from our group. Sorry if there are mistakes. We accept criticism and thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.